you see my screen, guys?
Yes.
Thank you, Sean. One more thing, how many of you interested to learn the SSO setup with two Salesforce org? Wanted to learn SSO setup, single sign-on setup? You wanted to learn? Kajal,
Yes.
SSO you like to learn? Like, because if after this class, flow is just one topic, and after that this is over. But after that, we'll check in another class. Like, but I have one more thing to show you guys. That is single sign-on. If you like to know, I can teach you as well. But it's up to you. If you like to know, then only.
In my end, you can continue.
What you're saying? Your voice is a little low, Kajal. Sorry to say that.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah. Yeah, you're audible.
Yes. I'm telling like you are starting with a single sign and after this flow class.
Yeah. So you're okay with it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see what about other people. If they say, then only. Otherwise, if you want to learn, then we'll connect and I'll show you. If you want to learn. Hello. Okay, let's create a new one. New flow. Okay. Let's create a screen flow, and this is another example. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, trigger flow. I will choose on contact whenever record is created. Okay. Here I'll choose contact. Contact. Okay. And field is department. Fast field update because I wanted to update only the contact one, so that's why. And department, say it's null, false. This flow will trigger only when this particular thing is null. Okay, not null. I mean the department value shouldn't be null on the contact record page whenever the contact is created, right? False. Okay, this is the thing. Now another one is account ID. Let's me add another one. Account ID. Account ID. True. Null true. Account ID should be null. Okay. That's two criteria which we have to follow. Now click on this setup. Now we'll choose update condition, I believe. 1 second. Contact is created. I think create is the get option. Okay, we'll choose get account and then make it get. Then account. Sorry, not data. I want this object is 1 second, guys. Application field. No, no, this is different. Mhm. 1 second. Formulation dot name. Okay. So this is the criteria. Now only one record. Not I'll make this now. See this. If I make this all record, it will act like a collection variable. But I chosen only one first record. On only this first record. How to store the data? Automatically store sort field. Like it will store on the basis of this criteria. It will store all the fields and choose fields. Let's suppose do the rest. These all are the example. You choose this, choose fields, and let's suppose do the rest. Let's see what exactly the example it is. Select a field account to store a value. Let's suppose in the previous class we were using case number over here, right, to store it like output. So you can add it over here. The case number I was using, and here you can choose any fields and then assign the variable in separate. This also I did it in the when I was teaching you the agent force class. These two options I already chosen, so I'll choose this for now. Okay, and then I'll just choose the update record after this. This is okay. Now I'll choose the update record. Update record. Okay, and because you see this is a grade, these four options grayed out because we are using the fast field update. That's why it is grayed out. Okay. Now update account ID. Okay, and then account ID. Now account ID I'm getting it from the content. From this, sorry, account ID I'm getting it from here. From this get record, I'll get it. Like how? I mean, I'll go here and choose the get record, and that's the get record dot ID. ID. Okay, now you see the account ID over here. Account ID equals perfect. Now click save and activate. Give the label of the flow. Update account and contact. Okay. After this, click save. Let's activate it. Let's see what exactly it do. Okay. Activate, because we are running on the create scenario, so we cannot test it from the debug. Correct? It doesn't make sense. So if you go over here and choose the contact and then try to create a contact record, let's see what it looks like. Okay. Contacts. So the scenario is whenever the contact is created, we have to run this flow and it will do the operations according to the use cases. Okay, according to that criteria which I written over here. First of all, it will create a record, and the thing is department cannot be null. We have to pass the value. If you see here, by creating the record of contact, you have to be very specific because in the entry criteria we chosen these two criteria. I'll show you. Mm, let it open. Yeah, now you see here There is a two criteria. Account ID should be blank, right? And that department cannot be blank. Is null, false, right? Mm. Here you saw that, right? So I'm not able to scroll it down for now. This is the problem with internet or something. Okay, no worries. So this is the thing. Now let's try to create the contact. Now department is null, false. It shouldn't be null. An account ID, it could be null because we added the criteria. Account ID is null, true, correct? So that's the thing. Now let's try to create a contact and let's see how it works. Okay. So I didn't added the record types. So that's, you can choose any of them. It will run. But you need to keep in mind the criteria. Okay. Okay, this is the last name. Account. Now the problem here is I make it mandatory, and I cannot. It says it should be false, and it cannot because it is mandatory. Account name, correct? Now let me see. Is it something happening because of the failure? One moment, please, guys. Because account ID is mandatory, and it says that it will run only. It will not contain any account, correct? So one second. You're getting it? What I'm trying to say, right? Guys, yes, no, hi, hello, thank you, coach.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Suraj or Shravan. Okay, so let me see why this is creating a problem. Okay. Account ID. I think it's a standard field, so I cannot. Okay, that's right. Okay, because on the contact only we have the name field is mandatory. Other thing is not mandatory at all, right? Okay, then let's try to create this. Hmm. Mhm. Why? If we already saved this and still it is mandatory. And why is that so? Because it's already updated, right? Now it shouldn't show mandatory. Strange. Let me see. Save sound. Oh, I'm writing some kind of trigger on this. Is it just because of I written some trigger over here? That's why not allowing me. 1 second. Mhm. Let's wait for 2 minutes. Why it's taking time? Mhm. We need to deactivate the trigger, I believe, because it's getting required from here, or because we removed it from the page layout, correct? But still that is coming. That I'm surprised. Choose partner. Yeah, perfect. Let's choose this. Let it be. Maybe on the record type I have to make some changes. Okay, that's why. Because on that particular record type, that field is required. So that's why. Okay. James Bond. And I'll, because as per the criteria, we cannot leave department blank, right? We have to fill some value. Department is IT. IT. Okay. Now click save. Account name is blank. Okay. Now what's the criteria? Check it. It should update basically. No. Basically, the behavior that particular name account auto populated. That should be the thing. Okay. Where is that? So then it should take automatically, but it is not. Why is that so? 1 second. The behavior here is like in the James Bond, automatically account name should come, right? But it is not coming. Correct. This should auto populate, but it is not populating. Let me see why. Let me debug the flow because it's not working. Let's see. Why? Contact, choose any contact. James Bond. And the flow. It's triggering. Unfortunately, it's not upgrading that. I'm not sure why. Organization name Salesforce demo. Fail to find the record. Understood. Fail to find the record. Record is not searchable. It's not finding the record from the record trigger from the get option. Let's see here. It will not trigger because it will not match the criteria. Correct. Our criteria is two things. Now the concern is why it's not working. Let me see. Let me deactivate all this. The problem in the get record, we are making some mistakes, so I believe that's why. The get account, why it is failing. Correct. Name also correct. That was good. Okay then. Customers contact trigger on the lower call. I think that's the only thing. What's getting problem? Contact accounts and then let me try with this record type. I think that can solve the problem. But again, let me edit this. One second, guys. I'm just checking. Contact layout. Why this is creating a problem? You is getting it what I'm trying to do, because the expected behavior whenever we create a this contact without account name and the department, because in the entry criteria we chosen department has some value and account name doesn't contain any value, and then it should trigger the flow and it will automatically update the account name, right? So that's the behavior, that's the thing I'm trying to achieve, and that is not working. So I'm just
Which
checking.
account name? Which account name will it take? Random
it will
account.
it will take the name from organization. If you see the flow, good question. Yeah, here. So I written that this account name, that's name equals to organization name, right? This organization name is basically account name. It will take the name, it will show the record, and on the basis of that it will update. By default it will bring the data from organization name. Organization name is basically, let me show you what exactly the organization name. Global variable organization name, basically that the org organization name, if you go to the user record page, you see the organization name, right? Let me show you.
Yes.
So that organization name it will populate. Okay, and then suppose I believe here in my record page there is no any organization name, that's why I didn't add it. Correct. Let me see. I think I'm missing something. Just a second. Not this. Not this here. Here organization name field will be there. Organization name. Yeah, okay, okay. Hang on, let me check it. User detail page, and then let's see. 1 second. Wasting time. Why it's not opening? So much time taking. One second, guys. This could be the internet. That's the reason it is failing. Why is that so? Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, correct. There's organization team field definitely there. Org. Where is coming from organization? 1 second. Organization name, department, company, Salesforce demo. It should take this actually. Salesforce demo. That is the organization name, right? It should take this, but that is not coming. I'm just checking. Organization. Oh, sorry, on the user. User. This is user. No, you'll see that organization name. Organization. Oh, where it is coming then? Oh, okay. 1 second, yeah, because this should come from this organization. Company. Company name. So I think let's make it company name instead of organization name. Action name. 1 second, let me check it. enable the objects as organization for custom object, custom flag, a boolean, true, organization object, organization object. Represent the key configuration information for an organization, and customer portal user can't access this object. Okay, it's the customer portal. It's coming from probably community website, right? So that's why we cannot access it. So let me just change little thing over here. Let me add instead of organization here, let me add something else. Okay, contact system user. Okay, I'll user company name. Company name. Okay, now let's see. Now this should take this. Okay, now let's see. The company name is Salesforce demo, and it will take that.
Organization name is available in company information.
Yeah, yeah, that I know. That correct. Organization, that's understood. But this is not an object. Like you cannot field on which field it should come. That's actually the article says, correct? If you see the article, I agree. You're saying in the company information, the way we have organization ID, Salesforce organization ID, right? Similarly, you have the organization name over there. Correct. Thank you. Company information here. This is the one. Organization name, yeah, correct. Salesforce demo. Still, it took Salesforce demo, but it's not taking. Correct. So I'm not sure we can access it or not, because according to this article, it says represents key configuration information for an organization, executes SQL query, returns the value for the field object, but no value visible for some of the fields, right? Correct. So I'll just change little thing. I'll just update it to company name, and let's see. Okay. Activate. Let's create a contact. One thing I want to see. Hang on, please. One second, please. Hang on. Okay. Yeah. Now, 1 second. Account ID. Spelling. See. Actually, I was trying to remove that required thing, so that's why. Okay. Otherwise, we can test it. But let me resolve this once, please. Account name. Yeah. Person contact required. I believe I make it required. Yes. What is it? Contact here. Is required checkbox? No. Then why is it visible? That looks good. System okay. Let it be. New.
Can you zoom out a little bit?
Yeah, why not? Sorry. दिख रहा? All good?
Yeah.
Again, it's taking this. I'm surprised why it's coming because we removed. It's not there. Okay. For now, let me choose different record type. Partner. Next. Something. Anything. Not mandatory. Department. Department. Yeah. Customer support. Okay. Customer support. Okay. Click save. Now automatically it takes the organization name. Not taking it? Why is that so? 1 second. Sure. Now let's see over here. Fail to find a record. That's the problem. Actually, record is not finding. Store this fields username. This get account ID. Okay. Company name is also not taking. Update record get CRM update. Account ID from this. Get account ID. The requirement is not up to the mark. I think that's why. Can you try this example in your odd ones? Like if I'm not able to do that right now, guys. Anything? Could you please reply? Let me try again. Let me see why this is not working. Look at ID, account name, username. That doesn't take an organization name. It's not accepting at all. It's not able to find the record. Okay. See, now it's removed. Previously it was not coming. Now account name is removed. Account name is not mandatory at all right now. Okay. Let me see with this test. activate. Okay. Let me see. Save it. Not working. Why is that so? One second. Customer support, it automatically takes that. You know, the place I'm referring, they did the same, and actually after this, it's not accepting. Update contact, then here's the update account ID. 1 second. Count from get account ID. Yeah. Guys, anyone's like to suggest me something? Please go ahead. If you like to suggest something. It trigger is not working actually. Object name equals to name, correct? Name.
Can you go update record?
Yeah. Thank you for trying. Update. I'm going. 1 second.
Yeah. Okay. I'll check like account ID is already added.
It's already nothing is missing from our end. Good work actually. It's not working. That is surprising. Okay. 1 second. We need to change because the get record it's not finding the record. The problem here is if you debug it and the debug it says not finding the record, correct? 1 second. Let's choose any account.
Oh,
Somebody saying something?
yes.
Yeah.
Can you please open the start element once?
Yeah. Why not? Save and debug. 1 second. Refresh the page.
I think this flow is running on fast and field update.
Correct. So it should run on that only, fast and field. So we don't need to update anything extra.
So are we updating the content? Okay, okay.
Because we are creating a contact, we want things should be updated on the contact only, right? So that's why we're just taking the reference of account ID. That's correct. But that's different thing, correct? It's not like that. Organization name is not accepting. Let me try again with the user. Let's see if user will, because we already tried, but let me try it one more time. Set up user roles, set up user role. That's what I already. User. Company name. Debug. And all department and null account type accessible null false. Here is the problem. It's not finding the record. And if you see name, company name, Salesforce demo, it should go to the demo, right? It's not appearing inside the demo. Why is that so? Null condition. One second. One second. Update. The contact record is ready to update when interview finish. Get account ID null. Null account. Get account ID null. That's correct. एक second. Why? One moment. Account ID. Let me see. Account name update. Account name. ID. Then account ID.
Salesforce demo is account.
Yeah, Salesforce demo is account. Salesforce demo is not an account. It's actually what I did in the user record page. If you see that, there's a field called company, right? So in the company, the value is Salesforce demo, correct? It is coming from there. क्या दिक्कत आ रहा है फिर सब कुछ तो सही चल रहा है account ID name account ID this
The record which you are using for debugging this flow. I saw
sorry
the record that you are using for debugging this flow.
record. Okay, the record which I'm choosing for that debugging this flow. Got it. You're saying this test rare, right?
Yes.
Let me change because the initial criteria of this, right? The account ID should be blank, correct? An account ID is blank for this much of contact only. For this, for example, this contact, the account ID is blank. It will trigger again, but that's not fine. Completed, but get test failing again. Stores the company demo equals to this company demo. Should have that way. Let me remove the get record and then try to do this. Let me remove the get record and then try to do this.
It
Sorry
will
guys, I'm
update
taking
the
too much time.
it will update the account name. It will create the account named Salesforce demo.
Yes, exactly. That's the behavior. Like whenever a contact is created, by default it takes this account, like a Salesforce demo. It should be appear over here, right? So that is not appearing.
Account will also be created in accounts.
So account will not created. Why account will created? No. Account will not created. Account will remain the same, brother. But the thing is, whenever you create a contact, it will
Yes.
take a data
Mm.
from this flow, right? Name equals to a user company name, correct? So the user company name is what? The user company name is Salesforce
Salesforce
office,
demo.
Salesforce demo. It will store here in the name, correct? That is not storing. That's the catch. Getting it? Let me try again. Let me remove this get record.
But that Salesforce demo is not available in accounts. So how will it store?
Where it will store, how it will not. You're not getting my point, what I'm trying to say. Let me repeat understand, like there's a confusion. That's internet. What I'm saying, this is the user record, okay? Now let me show you what is the company name. Salesforce demo, correct? So it will associate this company name. Basically the company name is what? If you go to the user record here, you see company name is the text field, correct? So whatever
Yes.
the text field I have, the same value, whatever the value I have on the company name, it should put it there in the new record, correct?
Mm.
But
Like the record
but
which we created here in the contact. Sorry, my bad. Where's the contact?
but do you have any account with Salesforce
We
demo?
need uh,
Sorry.
like when we create a contact, we need a account.
Do we have
No, not
any
like that.
account?
It's not mandatory. You can remove it. See, account name is not mandatory.
Hello,
It will
Shubham.
automatically. You're not getting the requirement. I mean, I'm trying to say whenever I create a contact.
Satyam is saying something.
Yes, Satyam.
I'm saying like, do we have any account with Salesforce demo name?
Do we no account?
Because we are fetching the account record.
Correct.
So
You are saying we do not have any account with the name of Salesforce demo. That you are saying, correct?
yes,
Okay. Let me do it for you. Okay. You want that? I'll do this as well. Okay. Salesforce demo. Let me create it. Probably I'm wrong over there. Let's see. Let's see. Salesforce demo.
I think it will work now.
Okay.
Yes.
Now you have to change the criteria over here. In the flow, we have to make a changes. Instead of this, we have to hard code it. Hard code can help. Agree.
No, no. I think
Can you
that
can you
will work now.
try without changing it?
Okay. Without changing it. Okay.
Yes, yes.
That's good. Hmm. Reload. Let me create a new contact. New contact.
I think we don't create can test with
It will not create, right? You
no,
saying
no. Can test with the existing one. This test.
existing, and how it, because how it will run on existing, brother? Because the criteria you are not getting. I'm saying the criteria here is, see the criteria. What is the criteria over here? That record is contact is created. So how will run on the existing one? You are saying use the existing account.
No, no, no. I thought it's on update.
Oh, you are saying instead of this, can I use update? That.
No, no. I thought it is running on after
Oh, okay, okay. No,
update.
no, no, not like that. I'm not sure why it's failing out because okay, I understand. Sorry for disagreement.
You know,
But yeah, thing is, you are also on the right track, and I'm also thinking that way. Let's see the way you did this. Let's try. Let's try to create it once. Let's see. Nothing will happen in trying. Leave it. This is the criteria. In the initial criteria, account name should be blank. It shouldn't be anything, right? The main criteria added over here. It automatically pre-populate the account name, right? Let's see. Nothing. Yeah, it's coming from there. Amazing, guys. Thank you. I believe this is solved by Satyam. Thank you, Satyam. Thanks, Lordman. So guys, you get it? What Satyam suggested, it worked. Satyam told me to create a new account. The account was not there. That's why in the get record, the data was not coming. Correct, Satyam? And that's why it was showing not able to find the record. Am I correct?
Yes, right.
Thank you, Satyam. So got it, guys? Any question?
No.
No. Thank you. Shravan, any question?
No.
Kajal, any question?
No, Subhan.
Satyam, any question?
No, Subhan.
Satyam Kumar.
No, Subhan.
Okay, you got it. What actually happened? What I was doing, I was trying to create a record without account name. There is no any data called Salesforce demo. I was thinking it will fetch the data from user name, correct? From the user record page, there's a field called company. In the company, there's a value called Salesforce demo. But I didn't create any account with the name of Salesforce demo. That's why it was not creating. And the Satyam Roy suggested that you do not have that record. That's why in the database get record, it's not finding. Got it? So that's the entire scenario. At least we
If
got
we
a
add, if we add create record element after update, so it can create account with name Salesforce demo.
yeah, definitely.
Okay.
That can create account, correct. That's good. Like I also learned something because I was thinking it will, take the data, but in the account that record doesn't exist. It will work, Satyam Roy, if we will use. I was thinking, just correct me if I'm wrong. In a get record, if I use here user, I'll fill user, and then on that basis I'll choose the user in the update. I think that will work, right? Then it will fetch the data from the user, correct? And in the user there's a field called company, and then we'll assign the company to this. I think that can work, correct?
No, I think you are simply fetching the
Mm-hmm.
account from the user's company name.
Mm-hmm.
So we must have
Oh, got it. One
system.
record should be there in the database, correct? Then only we can create it, correct?
Yes, right.
Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay, that's good. That's great learning for me and for the team as well, right? Okay, then that's it for today, right? It was good learning today. Any more question you have, guys? Shravan, any question?
No, I have really no question.
Suraj, any question?
No question.
Kajal, any question?
What now, Subhan?
Okay. Satyam already helped me in this, and Satyam understood that. Okay. Thank you, guys. Then, okay. Sorry.